Hello, beautiful people. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Daily Pips Trading. I'm Ignas. Back at you again. This time from home. I don't know. I didn't feel like going to the office. I didn't feel like doing that much today because, as I said yesterday, I'm on a holiday, right? Why not to enjoy it? So, doing it from home, and this time, I gotta start with a small announcement. We're shifting our focus. We're actually looking to start giving value towards our Discord community, towards people that, let's say, trust us, towards people that are believing in what we do, and towards people that really want to learn the things that I'm able to do in front of you guys, right? So we're shifting our focus this upcoming week slowly, but for the next week fully, where the schedule is changing. The schedule is going to look a little bit different because YouTube is gonna go into a backstage, into the back office in a way, meaning that we're gonna do live both chart analysis and live streaming in terms of live price action every single Monday, and everything else that we used to do here on YouTube towards you guys is gonna happen on Discord, which for me, I love it. On Discord, and can come in a little bit more chill, a little bit more relaxed. I can give you guys the stage a little bit to talk, to ask questions, to discuss, right? To share your knowledge sometimes even, right? Some of you know your model better than I do, so why not? So just repeating myself a little bit, but we're looking to shift our focus towards Discord a little bit more, giving you guys value there. A lot more than what we're doing right now, so should be fun. But right now and this upcoming week, throughout this week, we're gonna continue showing up on the YouTube to do the chart analysis, to do the daily analysis, my expectations, and just so the guys that are not joining us on Discord are able to come back to this, take a look, see what we've done, and yeah, make sure that we're not making any mistakes. Isn't that true? Oh, starting with dollar index, just like we do it every single week. I'm watching this buy side from Friday to get tagged. I think we're gonna do it very soon. Then I want that double bottom to be attacked. But just like I said in the weekly outlook on Sunday, I'm happy to allow the market to run without me. I'm happy to allow the market to open up here with a gap. New week opening gap, right? Ugly drawing, but there's a new week opening gap here. We're gonna see it in 15 minutes chart. We got that, and I'm allowing the market to do its work without me. Monday, I literally skipped 0 orders yesterday. Tuesday, possible high of the week. And I'm smiling already. You should be understanding why I'm smiling already, because possible high of the week here, crash where? Towards the weekly target. Double bottom is the thing that I'm interested in, nothing else. High of the week. Look at this as well. Power of 3. Accumulation on Monday. We manipulate on Tuesday, just an hour ago. Right? To push the market higher now. And how is it gonna end for the whole week? We're opening, we're manipulating to the upside. We're gonna distribute lower, and we're gonna close here. This is how the weekly, this is how the weekly candle is looking to pan out for me. Accumulate, manipulate, distribute lower, close. That's what I'm interested in. I want this to be attacked so we can go lower. 15 minutes chart, let's do a little bit of marking up here as well. You see the new week opening gap. We respected it yesterday. I very much believe we're not running away from it. We're just taking out liquidity to come back towards it and offer a short on dollar. That aligns with my hope that indices will continue higher. That aligns with my hope for Bitcoin to continue higher, right? I'd love to see that. So yeah, old new week opening gap tagged just now. right here. This high is not random. And I'm watching Friday's double top now. I'm gonna be watching that and a crash afterwards. I would love to see the market do this. I really, really want to see that. So if we retrace from where we are trading at right now, order block. Note this, put it to your notes. This might allow the market to finally get towards that double top. But I love to see the high of the week being booked today. Not tomorrow, today. Euro. Not only we inverted that hourly, yesterday we even got an entry today. So what I'm watching is sell side resting below, and this order block is coming from a daily chart. I like what I see here. Let me show you the kill zones. What I want to see now, I want this inversion to be treated as a possible short entry. So for the market to retrace and do this, this is what I'm watching for today. Nothing else interests me. Crash from 8:30, right? 8:30. We had some news releasing at 8:30, which is cool. And yeah, so let's do the agent range. Asian range is here. Yeah, I'd love to see a retracer crashing lower from here. Yeah, sure, why not? I don't mind. Sell side taken as well. We have to know that. Have to respect that. But retracement to continue lower would be awesome. Us crashing now lower immediately from where we are trading right now. Yeah, sure. Sure, I can't say no to that. But at the same time, would love to see a little bit of a retracement or a possible entry for the day itself today, right? Because I don't have anything going for forex just yet. And we're coming into GBP USD, where I opened a trade today, which we're gonna review. I have sell side resting down below. Put this to your nose. 1.28989, right? We're opening up with an hourly for value gap as well, hopefully. We'll see. But 15 minutes chart. Crashing 8:30, push the price to the upside, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I want to see a second leg of distribution. Right? Market maker sell model towards sell side resting below. That would be incredible. Like, that would be amazing. That would be something I can work with and participate in. Okay? So, again, Asian range. Let's take a look where we are trading at. No high probability. So even if the short happens on pound here, it won't be a high enough probability for me because we're gonna be trading below midnight open. I'm not too keen on that. But this is the trade that I took earlier today. I took this inversion, something around here. Stop loss above this wick, and I was literally tired of getting lows from London, right? And so this is the inversion. This is the fair value gap that I treated as a entry. I ran it, I allowed it to run, and then I literally got stopped out at break even. Sadly, but not much I can do. We eventually ended up going lower, which is cool. Doesn't mean that me calling the market makes me profitable though, right? Indices. This is where it becomes incredibly difficult. And I'm gonna do it one by one. I'm not gonna stack it together. I'm gonna do futures separately, right? Let's take a look at ES, and then let's take a look at NASDAQ. ES. I have a volume imbalance right here. Everything above this volume imbalance is what? Altogether, bullish. Hooray. Boring. But literally everything above it is bullish for me. So retracement to this 4-hour chart, 4-hour imbalance, reasonable before going higher. Very much reasonable. But not necessary. Thus, let's take a look at what we have. A balanced price range. So this right here might allow the market to crash. Might, keyword. Buy side taken, sell side resting below. Watch this one. I'm gonna show you in a bit. Swing low, swing low, swing low. Trend line, right? Trend lines never stick. We're not interested to have trend lines in the market. Buy side taken, just cool. I want to see lower prices. Very simple. 15 minutes. Again, you gotta put this into your notes. Buy side taken. We're happy. Buy side taken yesterday as well. Cool. I want to see the market opening up and crashing immediately, kinda. 1 minute chart. This already makes it interesting. Not saying this is an entry. Not saying that. I'm gonna be watching this. Why? Let me take this away first. I love 8:30 lows to be attacked. This is something I talk about constantly. I love them being attacked. I said it on Discord already an hour ago. Watch it, right? Buy side is being taken. So this push to the upside right here takes out liquidity. What does it do? Crashes. Not only it crashes, it leaves an opening in terms of a fair value gap right here. And this 842 fair value gap and imbalance that was supposed to hold in the price to allow it to continue higher was inverted. I'm interested in the market making a turn right here, right now. Not saying I'm taking this, but I'm watching it, okay? I'm not missing a new day opening gap, or am I? Yeah, I need a new day opening gap, so put it to your notes as well. That will be helpful throughout the day because we're already reacting at that level on Nasdaq, which I'm going to show you in a jiffy. 15 minutes chart, we're good here. Yeah, Nasdaq. I'm gonna show you a trade already that I took. So Nasdaq is a little bit more difficult because we're trading a lot lower compared to ES, aren't we? Yet we have the same volume imbalance that we're watching. We have exactly the same 4-hour fair value gap at the bottom that we pinged, that we tagged, and we have a balanced price range right here, up above. What else do you see? What else do you like here? We have an SMT. ES created a higher high when Nasdaq failed to do that. Put that to your notes. That is going to be very, very interesting to watch. Again, what do we have next? Buy side taken. 1 hour fair value gap right here. I'm literally doing my charts in front of you guys. I'm not coming in prepared. I'm prepping for what's to come the next few hours, which we're gonna live stream on Discord. So have the link in the description below. Please give us a follow on Discord. The Whoop link with a free trial is right here down below. Please do give us a pass because we're gonna go live immediately in 15 minutes from now, right when the market opens up. And there's a trade that I took, so let's do some back testing. This is what I was watching today. I'll give you everything that I saw upon taking the trade itself, right? So when the date starts, what do you do? Let's do it as a checklist. 1. What do you do when the day starts on index futures? You know, the new day opening gap, we have that. 1 minute chart, you can find it. The day opens at 6 o'clock. Why do I mark this gap? Because the market yesterday closed at 4:59 and it opened at 6. 1 hour, 1 minute of a gap is left open, remains left open, right? So 1, new day opening gap. Second step, taking a look at yesterday's, usually 2-3 days actually of price. What did it do? Friday, we took sell side, we were interested in that, pushed to the upside. We actually took a 3% trade here. 3% we did on Friday with this long entry right here. Everything in Discord, just pass by Discord, guys, right? So we did that. And what we're noting also, we're noting that SMT. So because of that SMT, we're kinda trusting for the market to go lower. We got that yesterday. How? Accumulation, manipulation to the upside. Let's do it this way. Accumulation, manipulation to the upside, distribution. I called for lower prices because of this SMT. I'm interested to see that delivering. We got that yesterday. Sell side taken. Bam. That was 2. Analyze yesterday. What am I watching today? I see this imbalance. Sure thing. Why not to put it in your notes, right? What else do I see? This is interesting because if we fall below it, market structure becomes bearish. Right now it's bullish. Why? Because we have a 15 minutes inversion here. What do I mean by that? This imbalance right here was supposed to allow the market to continue lower. It failed. So retracing into it here, 4:45 is a buy entry, right? And the market comes to Tuesday trading and I'm starting to do my work. 15 minutes chart. Let's go. 15 minutes. I'm not looking at 1 minute chart for today. I'm looking at 15 minutes. Reaction in 1 hour for valid gap. Comes back into 15 minutes. Push to the upside is expected. I want to see the market pushing higher from here, right? And we can come into the kill zone, right? London, 2 o'clock. We haven't closed yet, right? So what do we have? We just broke below this. So watching this as a possible attack towards the sell side resting below. I like that. This would be a trade that you could take. Bam, bam, and bam. Am I taking this? No. And I'm gonna give you an answer right away. Why? Because the risk reward is not good enough. This is not worth taking it. Continue. Sell side taken. Oh, how random is that? I like that. Sell side taken. That's good. Who is happy? Who is happy right now? At 2:30, 2:45 in the morning today. Everybody who's short is happy. What am I doing? I'm marking buy stops resting above. I want them to get attacked. I don't want to see any happy faces, any happy people in the market being left untouched. You know, I want them to be attacked. This is what I'm looking for. Ooh la la. That is deep. Some sort of news possibly released, right? Oh yeah, we go even deeper, which is cool. Still interested in that buy side. Why? Because this wick 50% level is still holding in the price. Plus, I have the daily volume imbalance here that I would love. hold the price as well. Price is balanced. This fails. So watching this 15 minutes fair value gap now. All right. Bomb, we tag it. Started running higher. What do I see? I immediately see this, a sell side being taken. And an opening as well. Possibly, right? Yes, we do have it. YouTube 2022. If you want to learn a model that is easy and is reasonable and is understandable, YouTube 2022. Just Control F in Discord, YouTube 2022. This is my entry for the day. Let's see. Bam, tagged. We're in. Cool. I'm waiting for this 15 minutes for value gap now to get tagged to allow the market to continue higher, right? We're in a trade though. Bam, market closes up above, inversion. You could even be looking to open a trade like this, right? If you're not trading YouTube 2022, you could be trading inversions. Huh? We're in trade. New day opening gap. This is where I closed it actually, because it started consolidating on us. As soon as we moved above it, closed it, because I had a re-entry up here. This wick, this retracement at 645, I entered it again. So I added another contract, second contract. And I closed it right after because I just saw a consolidation on 1 minute chart. The market not being able to move nor one or another. Nor one way or another, you know. So kind of gave up on that. But let's see what happens. Oof, 8:30. You saw it? 8:30 news release. Me personally, I would have been annihilated because I took a partial and I would have moved my stop loss towards break even right here, right? You get killed. But still, the target is out there. Buy side liquidity pool. Resting right there. Let's see if we can get that. We could. I'm gonna be watching this. I'm gonna be watching 20. So this is where I'm going at right now. What I'm gonna be doing today, and we're gonna jump into Discord in a second, right? I'm gonna be watching for the buy side to be taken. 26.55 to be attacked. Then it should allow the market to start crashing lower. What I'm gonna say out loud is that I'm watching this 1 hour for value gap. Everything below it is bearish for me. If the market starts pushing above it and closing above it, meaning in the next 40 minutes, if we close above 20,664, then my focus shifts, and only then. Up until that point, I'm watching for buy side to be taken and for the market to crash afterwards, okay? But this is me for the upcoming session. I'm watching closely if US 500 is gonna go lower from where it's trading right now. I didn't. Yeah. Anyhow, this is it from me for today. Gonna grab a sip of water. I'm gonna go prepare a little bit, and I'm gonna see you guys in Discord. So hope you enjoyed this short live stream. A little bit of analysis on what's to come today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.